Dang, who's that stud? What's going on, guys? It's Ricky with TechWhat Solutions, and I wanted to make a super quick video. First of all, I want to thank you guys again for being so patient. For those that are part of Learn, Plan, Profit and TechWhat Solutions, I'm traveling today from Arizona to California, and we're doing this car rally. So I'm doing a road trip with a bunch of other supercars and very successful people. This is not something that I normally do at all, but I thought it would be an amazing opportunity for myself to network and then be able to share their success stories with you and based off of what I learned. But one thing that I do want to talk about is my trade on Tesla today. I still have my swing trade shares, but I was able to day trade it, and I cleared a little bit over $1,000 on the day. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this breakdown. Again, nothing fancy. Let's just simply get right to it. One thing that I want to point out before we get started is ultimately, for those that are going to be asking, is Tesla still a good swing trade? I want you guys to understand that this is a 180-day analysis, and it's a descending pattern, right? The SMA line is pointing down, and yes, it is showing signs of an uptrend. Look at the RSI and look at the MACD. It's not showing signs of it being a good deal, and based off previous patterns and how it trends down and how it gets rejected around the SMA line, trends down, then gets rejected, around the SMA line, trends down, and then gets rejected, around the SMA line, trends down, pushes up. Now, what most likely will happen? Well, if this pattern continues, most likely get rejected. So what that means for me is someone being, invested in Tesla. I still have my 200 shares, and again, all together on the day, you guys can see that right there. I'm not too sure if it's focusing. I need to step back a little bit. There we go, $1,088.95. So I had an absolute blast. I'll show you guys the overall P&L. This is the only thing that I traded today. Let's see if we could focus on that. This camera is way too fancy for me, and not too sure if you guys could see the $1,088 right there. But I had an absolute blast trading. I'm going to do a quick little breakdown of one thing that really helped me out today. One thing that I really focused on today was after it had this initial sell-off, it found a really nice support right around the 276 area, and ever since then, which is around the general SMA line, once it broke above the SMA line, all I really saw this thing do is make higher highs, and then that's when I began to add to my position. And one thing that I do want to point out is that at one point I was, in Tesla with 500 shares exactly. 182 of that were shares that I had for my swing trade, and the remaining amount was from my day trade. So I was invested in Tesla pretty heavily today, but I felt like it was showing signs of an uptrend. And based off of the highs that it made as soon as the market opened, I saw that percentage potential again. Tesla's a higher cap stock, so I didn't see the risk to be that high. So that's why I felt comfortable trading with a large amount. Ended up hitting my daily goal. Super blessed, super thankful to have cleared a little bit over $1,000, especially in such like a busy day where I was traveling. Just simply wanted to share that with you guys and keep you guys up to date. I'm really excited. I'm really looking forward to our live trading session tomorrow, especially for our new members that just joined Learn, Plan, Profit. So again, I do want to remind you, and this video is posted super late, so not too sure how many of you guys are going to be able to take advantage of it, but the first link in the description is $50 off the Learn, Plan, Profit course, and that's until midnight tonight. So if you want to be able to watch me trade live every single day, if you want to work with me on a closer basis, and then you want access for a lifetime to the Learn, Plan, Profit course, the only thing that I offer is the first link in the description. Appreciate your guys' time. I hope I earned your thumbs up. Hope you guys absolutely kill it this week. And like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green app. Take it easy, team.